Today we got a video from BLN Safety, and the title of the video is "Man Steals a Red Bull from 7-Eleven, Doesn't End Well for Him."
Okay, well, come here. Dude, stop.
Oh, don't start running. You can't outrun the bike.
I want running.
Uh-oh. Okay. I got good with that bike now. Ain't no way he outrunning that bike. That's crazy. Come on, pedal. Oh, they on the train tracks? Ooh.
Hey guys, I got one running. Running through the track, section 6 here.
See, so now which one of the rails is the one that electrocutes you? It's like third rail or something like that, right?
Zone 3, emergency downtown.
Damn, them rocks are slowing my boy down.
Anyone on Johnny?
Yeah, my...
Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Get on
He
the ground.
stopped himself?
You're gonna get chased. You get on the ground. I'm not gonna do Get on the ground. Belt offer to Alpha. We're right on the tracks. Can you let Sunrail know? What's your name?
Steve.
Steve. Dude. All you had to do was
scared, bro.
All you had to do was talk to me.
I didn't have nothing. Look, bro. I lost my notebook. My work notebook.
Gonna be on Robinson, the tracks, right here.
I just got scared, bro. Because I got a warrant in Miami.
Okay.
That's it.
It's all good.
Delta 43, JB going over.
That's it, bro. I don't got no weapon, nothing. I'm just in my way to work, bro.
Put your hands behind your back.
Bro, I'm not being violent with nothing.
Zone 2, Zone 1, patrol downtown.
I'm not being violent or anything.
I know, but you still ran. Doesn't matter.
Yeah, I see. I just...
Hey.
That's it.
Do me a favor, son.
Stop.
Go to 486, get a statement. They want to press charges. And he dropped the... If you come on 480, as soon as you make that turn by the building, he dropped the wrapper right there.
Yeah, 1012.
Come this way.
1066. For pursuit on patrol downtown with one detained. Channel clear 733.
Nothing sharp, anything on your
I
pocket?
don't have nothing, bro. Nothing.
Do you need medical? Because I know you try to get on that car. You need medical? Yeah? What happened? Anything hurting?
Yeah. My arm.
Your arm?
Right here when I pulled off the car.
Do you have OFD response, arm pain? You try to jump on a moving car.
I just try to move on it. I stumbled, man.
Good, Dylan.
Now, what type of sense does this make? You know you got a warrant, so you're gonna steal a Red Bull? Wouldn't you want to be laying under the radar? You know, duck off. You in Orlando, so you're not in Miami. You in Orlando. Wouldn't you want to lay low? That's what makes sense to me. Not stealing a Red Bull, making yourself hot. Either way, it's better to go take care of your warrant anyways. Get it over with. Get it past you. Unless it's from something crazy that you may not be able to come back from. Unless you got you a M1 or something. You get you a M1, man, we gonna see you 25 years, or maybe we gonna catch you in the afterlife because you'll never get out.
I stumbled, man.
Dude, going through here sucked. I was like, ah.
Oh, yeah.
Damn, Orlando
He saw me
PD.
on the bike, so he went through here. He's smart. I mean, smart on his end. I'm like, dude, I'm on a bike. Stop running.
Yeah.
Huh?
You lower the gears at least.
Yeah, but it's still like it's so rough.
That's a pain in the butt, yeah.
And then there was a moving truck that he tried to hang on to. Flew. So let me just take him to the station for me. I'm gonna go pick up the Red Bull. He dropped it.
Okay, he moving a lot faster now. Them rocks was fucking him up, boy.
There it is. All right. This is what we were running through. And he threw the Red Bull on the ground. Still closed. Too cold to the touch. Taking it back to 7-Eleven.
No, if he hadn't ran, he would have got Oh, got a Red Bull back.
And he's going to jail.
And he's going to jail.
Grab your car, and we'll go this for you.
Whatever?
Do you want to grab your car, and we'll take care of this for you?
Yeah, I came to pick up the Red Bull. Damage. Oh, shit.
It's spraying stuff at me.
Here, did you get your monster? Mira, aquí está, pero está rota, está botando,
Okay.
está botando,
Gracias.
está botando Red Bull ahí. Thank you guys. Just send me a picture.
We'll just put Red Bull spray on it.
I'm like, dude, stop running, I'm on a bike. I was telling the guy.
Oh, yeah.
And then he cut through the track. I'm like, ah, smart man.
Man, I love the diversity in bigger cities, man. Like, look, the officers, you could tell some of the females, they Hispanic, you know what I'm saying? Like it's like, I love it, man. I love it. I love diversity, man. I love it, man. Anyway, how dumb you gotta be to steal a Red Bull? Come on, it's like people are risking their freedom and their life over the dumbest things, man. A Red Bull is what? $3, $3, $3.50 maybe. So just like the other day I did a video, I don't know which channel this is gonna be on, whether it's gonna be on my main channel or the secondary channel or whatever. But the other day we did a video on my main channel about a guy who got locked up over a $3.75 water or something like that at the airport. This is like equivalent. Red Bull is like $3. Guys is crashing out over $3 items. It makes no sense. I think I'm gonna upload this on my second channel. I don't know. I'll figure it out. Whatever. But either way it goes, if you ain't subscribed to the other channel, well, make sure you subscribe to this channel. But then if you ain't subscribed to the other channel, whichever channel is on, go in the description section and that channel link will be there, so you can go subscribe to the other channel. They trying to shadow ban my second channel, man. ShyGotEm too, man. They YouTube is doing a number on that channel, boy. They are not letting me get reached out to nobody. It's insane. I've reached out to support and everything, and they are just, make better thumbnails, whatever. Like, what are you talking about? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Really? That's the best advice they could give? Bro, you guys are fucking shadow banning my page. Because I could post the same video on my main channel and that shit is going up. It's out of there. You know what I'm saying? Like, come on, man. Y'all niggas need to stop playing with me, man. Stop playing with me, man. But anyway, I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Well, I'm gonna get an officer 4 out of 5. Did a pretty good job. Them rocks was fucking them up, though. I ain't gonna lie. Them rocks on that train track was fucking his bike up, man. He slowed right down, and I don't think he would have caught him unless the guy stopped, because the guy did stop. Eventually, they would have probably caught up to him, other cops and stuff like that arriving and everything. But them rocks was fucking him up. He was out of there. Gone. But yeah, 4 out of 5 from me. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.